Hello everyone, today I'm gonna be doing a quick overview of the KitchenAid KEK1565 1.5 liter kettle. Last year I did a lot of research to find kettle which doesn't have any plastic, whether in the inside body or in the lid. I came across this amazing kettle which I've been using for over a year now. I'm actually skeptical on using kettle which have any plastic in it, especially that the plastic will be in direct contact with the high temperature water and steam. The plastic used in most of the kettles might be a food grade plastic, but they never mention for how long it's safe to use. This kettle has a double wall insulation, which is great in keeping the water hot for a long time, and it also makes the kettle safe to touch after boiling, which is great. Now I'll run a test to check how much time it takes to boil the water from the room temperature. Here I have 1.5 liter. There is an inside marking, and it shows that we have here 1.5 liter. This is the max for this kettle. I will start here timer just to check how much time it takes to boil the water, and to start I'll turn it on and I'll start the timer right away. So here we go. I'll leave it running for now. I'll cut the video, and toward the end I will show you how much time it took. This is how it sounds. It's not quiet and it's not very loud at the same time. It doesn't bother me at all. So see you in a few minutes. Okay, it's almost 6 minutes. I think it's about to finish. So here we have 6. Let's see. It takes a few seconds to turn off. Let's see. Yeah, so it's almost 6 minutes and 30 seconds, which is I think average. Okay, so now I'll show you how this kettle pour water. Please, if you end up buying this one, please consider buying it using the links in the video description. This will definitely help the channel, and it comes at no additional cost to you. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.